If you feel alive when you're trading, you're bleeding money. I'm serious. If you're sitting at your screen feeling that rush, that excitement, that sense of being in the zone, you're not in the zone. You're in the lost zone. Here's the uncomfortable truth no guru wants to tell you. The best traders in the world are bored, not stressed, not excited, bored. But that's not what you've been taught, is it? You've been sold this image, the trader who feels it in their gut, who reads the market like a chess master, who gets that dopamine hit when they spot the perfect setup. You've been told to trust your instincts, to develop your intuition, to feel the market. And it makes sense, right? When you're engaged, you're paying attention. When a trade feels right, that must mean something. When you're excited, you're motivated. So you chase that feeling. You look for setups that give you that rush. You revenge trade because you need to feel like you're doing something. You overtrade because sitting on your hands feels uncomfortable. Your comfort zone becomes this emotional engagement with the market. It feels like work. It feels like skill. It feels like you're a real trader. But here's what that feeling actually is. It's your amygdala hijacking your prefrontal cortex. It's fear and greed dressed up as intuition. It's your ego demanding validation from the market. That gut feeling, it's not pattern recognition from experience. It's pattern recognition from trauma. From your last loss, your last win, your desperate need to prove something. The market doesn't care about your feelings. The market rewards process execution. Period. Elite traders don't feel alive during the session. They feel alive when the market's closed and they're analyzing their edge. During execution, they're almost robotic. They're bored because they're doing the same thing they've done 1,000 times before. There's no novelty. There's no drama. There's just process. So how do you escape the lost zone? First, build a pre-trade checklist that's so mechanical it puts you to sleep. Entry criteria, position size, stop placement, target levels. If you're not checking boxes like a pilot before takeoff, you're gambling. Second, create rules for when you don't trade. Tired? Don't trade. Emotional from a previous loss? Don't trade. Market conditions outside your playbook? Don't trade. The edge is often in the trades you refuse to take. Third, journal your emotional state, not just your P&L. After every session, ask yourself, did I feel bored or engaged? You'll start noticing a pattern. Your biggest losses cluster around your most emotionally charged sessions. Here's the bottom line. Your comfort zone, that emotional engagement, that need for excitement, is literally your lost zone. Confidence doesn't come from feeling right. It comes from knowing your process is right. It comes from having executed your system 1,000 times and understanding that this trade is just one data point. The pros aren't confident because they feel it. They're confident because they've removed feeling from the equation entirely. If you want to win, learn to be bored. Embrace the monotony. Execute the process. Your account will thank you. Now, get back to work.